Welcome to English Grammar Launch. Thanks for joining me on this course. Here's just a little introduction so you know what to expect and how to get the best out of this course. So here's a basic structure of each section. We're going to learn to understand first. In this part, you will learn the meaning of the target English structure. In the second part of each section, you will learn the things to note. These things are other important things related to the target structure, so you will refine your understanding. And finally, you will master the English. You will practice the English through speaking and listening exercises. So try and go through each section so that you really start to master the English. You don't just understand it, but you master it. You train your brain to absorb the English so that you can use it naturally. That's the key. Now, each section also has MP3s for you to download. I suggest you download these and listen to them as much as you can. Not just once or twice. Listen many, many times, because each MP3 targets a particular grammar structure. So when you listen to the MP3 again and again and again, you'll train your brain to absorb the grammar. And this will really help you in both listening and speaking when using the target structure. There are also PDFs of the MP3 so that you can read what you listen to. So I suggest you download all the materials available to you. Let's get started with this course.